Now, if you see over here, what we are discussing is type 1. In type 1, the first question is okay. The first question is 3 moles of carbon atom is dash grams. Last time we did 12 AMU is the mass of one carbon atom. 12 AMU is the mass of one carbon atom. 12 grams is the mass of 12 grams is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atom. So can I say over here 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12 grams and 3 moles of carbon will be equal to x grams. Therefore, x is equal to 12 into 3, 36 grams, which is also equal to 36 into 10 raised to minus 3 kgs. If they ask you in kgs, is this clear? Guys, is this clear? Next question. "40 moles of carbon atom is equal to dash grams." So 40 moles. Guys, can you keep your answers in this form only? No need to go ahead to the next step. 40 into 12. यही फॉर्म है, इसको सिंप्लीफाई मत करो, एग्जाम में सिंप्लीफाई करना, अभी नहीं करना, ठीक है, so that we can do more sums rather than just doing calculations over there. एक सम में मैंने आपको सिंप्लीफाई करके दे दिया है. चलिए नेक्स्ट 100 मोल्स का आंसर क्या आ रहा है? You get the answer as 100 into 12, 1200 grams. You get the answer here as 0.1 into 12. And you get the answer here as is this clear? I have given you the atomic masses in the last lecture also. Please refer that. Yes, will you get the answers? Are these sums done? Are the sums done, guys? Chलिए. Now, the 11th question over here. The 11th question over here. 3 mole of oxygen molecule is dash grams. 3 mole of oxygen molecule is dash gram. Now, oxygen molecule weighs how much, guys? How much does an oxygen molecule weigh? 32 grams. An oxygen molecule weighs altogether 32 grams. So 1 mole of O2 molecule is 32 grams. So 3 mole of O2 molecule will be X grams. Have you understood this? Have you understood this, everyone? Next, 40 mole of O2 molecule. 40 mole of O2 molecule. You get as 40 into 32. You get as 40 into 32. Next, 100 moles of O2 molecule. 100 moles of O2 molecule. You get it as 100 into 32. और आपको ये next 0.1 mole of O2 molecule. ये आपको याद है 50 का. ठीक है. Is it clear? So this next. You see, solve this one. Yes, look into the answers now, everyone. And let me know, is this type clear or you need more sums based on this? Is this type clear, guys? Okay, I think it's not clear. No one is saying anything. Or purchase some level. Okay. Give the heading as type 2. Give the heading as type 2. Give the heading as type 2. Mass to moles. Mass to moles. Right over there. Divide by gram atomic weight for atoms. Divide by gram molecular weight for molecules or compounds. Please box this entire thing. Type 1 also box the initial steps. Write the first question. 200 grams of calcium atom is dash moles. 200 grams of calcium atom is dash moles. How do you solve this? Is 1 mole is 40 grams. The start is the same, guys. Look at it. 1 mole is how many grams? We started the same way. Now, can I say x is equal to? On cross multiplying, I get this. How much do you get it as? Can I say? Hello, how do you get 50 from there? You get it as 5. समझा आपको ये? Next question. Guys, just place it in fractions over there. No need to simplify it. Fractions में रखिए. Yes, ma'am. What are the answers?
For the second one, it's 2.5 or 5 by 2 moles.
Again, it is. Second one is?
5 by 2 or 2.5 moles.
I can't hear you, okay?
2.5 moles.
Okay, you have simplified it, okay.
Then it's 1 by 10.
Okay.
Then it's 1 by 400 or 0.1 by 40. Then it's 0.004 by 40. And then it's 128 by 40.
I've just kept it in fraction. Is this right? Just check.
Yeah.
Now, sixth one. How do you solve the sixth one? 128 grams of oxygen atoms is how many moles? So 128 divided by what? 8,
128
16, 32.
divided by
What do I divide it by?
8 is
18. What is
no,
18?
not 18.
18 is water's molecular weight.
By oxygen, so it will be 16.
By 16, yes. You have to remember those values. So it's 128 upon 16. The atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Helium's atomic weight is 4 grams. You get over here 4.6 upon 23. Helium's atomic weight is 4. Helium's atomic weight is 4. Now these are all atoms. Now I'm taking molecules over here. Pay attention. Can I say 1 mole of O2 is 32 grams? See, this is molecule, hence I've written 32 grams. 16 grams is the atomic mass. 32 is going to be the molecular mass. Hence the answer is 128 by 32, which is 4 moles. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead with the answers.
So the 13th one is for 4.9 by 98 moles. Then the 14th one is 1 by 100 moles. 15th one is 2 by 18 moles. 16th one is 7 by 16 moles. 17th one is 20 by 30 moles. 18th one is 28 by 100 moles.
100 by 28.
100 by 28. How, sir?
Because it's 100 grams of N2.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then it is 20 by 256 moles. Then 10 by 124 moles. 1 by 2 moles. 20 by 40 moles. 10 by
40 by 1 by 2 and then 40 by 80.
40 by 80. No, sir, I was speaking about 20 grams of NaOH.
Okay, yeah, it's 20 by 40. Yeah.
Yeah. Then 10 by 32 moles and 0.004 by 71 moles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yashvi Gala, relax. So it explains when I go from moles to mass, multiply by gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. When you go from mass to moles, divide by gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Is it clear? Give the next heading as type 3. Give the next heading as type 3. Moles to molecules. Moles to molecules. Multiply by 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. Or Avogadro's number, that is Avogadro's number. That is Avogadro's number. It is denoted this way: n suffix a. Okay. Now pay attention to a question here. 3 moles of oxygen atoms is dash atoms over here. You know that 1 mole is 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. So 3 moles is going to be what? Okay. Is this clear? Three moles of oxygen molecules is dash molecules. 3 moles of oxygen molecules is dash molecules. 3 moles of oxygen molecules, can I say will be 3 into 6 into 10 is to 23 molecules. Now guys, listen to me. Can I say one molecule has 2 atoms? One molecule of oxygen has 2 atoms. Hence, if they ask me 3 moles of oxygen molecules is dash atoms, I should say over there 6 and 8. Have you understood this? Next example. Three moles of sulfur. 3 moles of sulfur is how many molecules? Can I say 3 Na? Pay attention now. Now, one molecule has 8 atoms. One molecule has 8 atoms in sulfur. Hence, 3 Na, can I say, will have understood 24 Na. Is this clear? Three moles of P4 will have dash molecule. Can I say 3 Na? And how many atoms? Can I say 4? Twenty moles of H2O. Guys, 20 moles of H2O will have how many molecules? Can I say 20 Na? Let me know once it is done. Is it done? Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
You're good with the answer, Sarthak?
Sir, the fifth one will be 20 Na molecules.
Okay.
Sixth one will be 35 Na molecules.
Hmm.
And it will be 35 into 70, yeah.
35 into?
35 into 2, yeah, 70 moles.
Yes.
Then 40 into 40 Na molecules.
Yes.
Then 100 Na molecules.
But how many atoms also I want?
200.
Barabar?
Then 2 Na molecules and 8 Na atoms.
Okay, chlorine में अगर आएगा तो 2Na.
And 8 Na.
Okay. Next.
Then 16 Na molecules and 32 Na atoms.
Yes.
Then 160 Na at 160 Na atoms. 80 Na molecules.
80 Na atoms.
Sorry. Then 6 Na atoms.
No, 80 Na atoms.
80 Na atoms
Yeah.
and 6 Na atoms.
Yeah. Guys, can we simplify one or two questions here? Actually, can we simplify the last one? Last वाले का simplification करो चलो. Last वाले को simplify करना है तो क्या हो जाएगा? 6 into 6 into 10 to 23. 36 into 10 to 23. Clear है ये? Seventh sum, how did I get the seventh sum is 40 moles of acid, 40 Na molecules, 1 mole has 8 atoms, hence 8 into 40. So is this type clear, guys? Give the next heading as, is this type clear? First tell me that. Okay, give the next heading as type 4, molecules to moles. Molecules to moles. Molecules to moles. Divide by Avogadro's number, that is 6.02 into 10 to 23. Divide by Avogadro's number, that is 6.02 into 10 to 23. Chaliye, first question. Okay, how do I go about this? Can I say 1 mole of any atom is 6 into 10 to 23 atoms? Now they have given us the atoms. Can I say X? So X is going to be equal to what? Is this clear? Is this clear, guys? Next. Do you get the second one as 1.2 into 10 raised to 24 upon 6 into 10 raised to 23, which comes out to be 2 moles. 1.2 Is this clear? So it doesn't depend on which atom it is, calcium ho, silicon ho, beryllium ho. Like for example, if I say 1 dozen of apples, it means 12 apples. And if I say 1 dozen of oranges, it means 12 oranges. So it doesn't depend on which fruit it is. It depends on the quantity. It's 1 dozen over there. Same way, if I say moles, it does not depend on which quantity it is, which what do I say, which element it is here. Is this clear? Now, if I say 32 into 10 raised to 23 is dash moles of O2. 32 into 10 raised to 23 is dash moles of O2. मैंने moles भी O2 का ही पूछा है, तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 32 into 10 raised to 23 upon 6 into 10 raised to 23. Clear है शिवम? Next. यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आ जाएगा सर? Yes, Kinjal, can you go with the answers?
From which question?
All the questions.
Seventh one is 2 moles of oxygen atom. Eighth one is 2 moles. Ninth one is 10 raised to 21 upon 6 into 10 raised to 23.
How do you simplify this?
Um,
If you want to simplify,
10
how
raised
do you simplify this?
1 upon 6 into 10 raised to minus 2.
Okay. And what is 1/6?
Um,
Clear है ये?
ninth, 10th one is 4 into 10 raised to minus 21
Yeah. Upon?
upon 6 into 10 raised to 23.
Yeah. Next, this one is
12 into 10 raised to minus 23 upon 6 into 10 raised to 23.
And this is
3 into 10 raised to minus 21 upon 6 into 10 raised to 23.
yes, guys. Is this clear? No one, can you please pay attention? Have you copied this also? Give the next heading as type 5. Type 5 moles to volume. Type 5 moles to volume. ठीक है? Right over there, multiply by 22.414 liters. 25 by 22.414 liters. Now pay attention to this everyone. I say 2 moles of O2 is equal to dash liters. Can I say it's going to be equal to 2 into 22.414 liters? Clear है ये? Or I can call it, also say it as 2 into 22.414 dm cube. Reason is 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube. Clear है ये? Next, I can also call it is equal to, I know this conversion, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. And 1 ml is equal to 1 cc is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So I can say it's basically 2 into समझा आपको सबके सब यूनिट्स? क्लियर है ये? यूनिट्स भी क्लियर है आपको? ऋषि, यूनिट्स क्लियर है? शिवम? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Is it done? You get over here at 6 into 22,000. If you write 22.414, that's also right. Just check whether your answers are matching or not. Last type, right over there, type 6. Type 6. Volume to moles. Volume to moles. Volume to moles. Divide by 22.414 if the volume is given in liters. Divide by 22.414 if the volume is given in liters. Tiyasha, please write. And or divide by 22,414 if the volume is mentioned in ml. If the volume is mentioned in ml. First question, 44.8 liters of H2 is dashed moles. So here you have to divide it by 22.4 because it's given in liters. Yes, Nupur, it's 2, right? Can I say now I have to divide by 22,414? Two 2.24 liters. 2.24 liters of H2 is dash moles. 2.24 ml of H2 is dash moles. It does not depend on which molecules it is at STP. All these questions are at STP, standard temperature and pressure. Yes, Nupur, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead with the answers, please.
First one is 2 moles. Second one is also 2.
I can't hear you. Second one is?
Second one is also 2.
Okay.
The third one is 2.24 upon 22.4.
So it comes out to be?
I haven't simplified it.
Go ahead.
The fourth one is 2.24 upon 22,414. Fifth one is 0.224 upon 22414. Sixth one is 0.224 upon 22.414. Seventh one is 4.48 upon 22,414. Eighth one is 67.3 upon 22.414. Ninth one is 67.3 upon 22.414. And 10th one is 22.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 22,414.
You can simplify all of them very easily. The numbers are really nice to simplify it. Is this clear? Have you copied the summary? Multiply by 22.414 to convert from moles to volume, and divide by 22.414 to convert from volume to moles. Is it clear? Just look into the 6 types, guys. Once look into 6 types, all the 6 types. That's what we're gonna do today. That's it. देखिए एक बार खाली रिवाइज कीजिए, कुछ डाउट्स है तो पूछ लीजिए प्लीज.